मडगांव पोस्टल कार्यालयांत कर्मचाऱ्यांची कमतरता आसा. पणजेच्यान नव्यो सुविधा पोस्टलांत सुरू जाता, मात मडगांवां ह्यो कांयच लागू जायना. स्टाफ कमी आशिल्ल्यान कामां जायना. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
150 years. Now they are calling it Gandhi Market. It should be Mahatma Gandhi. They have got any sense in them. They have to declare this post office as Mahatma Gandhi Post Office, not Gandhi Market Post Office. So this is the hoodwinking that is going on, and it is very shocking what we have discovered now. As far as Sangay in Kurdi, nearly 15 lakhs has been stolen by the postal assistant. We have written to the SSP office. They write to us that we are starting paper verification. What is paper verification? For last 3 years that fellow is working there. So whatever paper he has touched, they will start examining it for 3 years. So by that time those poor senior citizens will expire and they will never get their money. So urgently we are calling that the new SSP who has taken over in Mapsa, he should immediately visit Margam and South Goa. There is an ASP sitting there near Konkan railway station. This has to be looked into. We are also calling upon all the members of parliament who have the jurisdiction over South Goa. Why action has not to be taken on this matter? Thousands of people are suffering. If you go today now, the software of the computers are overloaded. They have a physical problem. Every town now and then the software is shutting down. So senior citizens are waiting there. Therefore, we are demanding that by 31st December, the postal department has to come clear on this. Instead of just going on announcing schemes from Penjin, post bank, parcel delivery, this delivery, that delivery, the man sitting in the counter is the same person. They are only putting different hats on his head and wearing different uniforms and taking photographs. The fact of the matter is, postal department is a very integral department for the country, and Goa is a place which is bringing huge revenue. The coastal belt of South Goa has not been reviewed. Where is the increase? That Panjim, they have set up a foreign post office. What they have done, stuck a sticker on a box and on the board and notified it as a post office. The required staff have not been requisitioned. So our strong demand to the government of Goa, and particularly as the Chief Minister has taken a view on this issue on World Post Day, that people of Goa should get employed in these post offices.